Again, this is Damien from FixWinPC. I guess that has been happening. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube. Out of the country for a bit, and right, so I came home. I decided to make some movements. Move everything from the kitchen counter, where I had like a temporary workbench, so to speak. So I decided to move everything from here and put them in a bedroom that we're trying to convert into our office. So yeah, so we'll start here, where the internet comes in. You have coax coming in from Flow, you have phone, and this is where the internet is now going out. And the back along that power line adapter. So go here, going straight into the wall, and then this from here it goes across into the room where the office is. Now over here at the office, it comes back out. So these are the Netgear power line adapters. I have the box somewhere outside. I didn't want to just do an unboxing video, and because it has a lot of videos online about these power line internet adapters. They're very handy for exactly what I'm doing when you're moving in your network basically. So yeah, I'm moving it because I'm starting to add stuff to it, and kitchen counter is not the best place, so let me get a dedicated space somewhat. So we came here, so basically have it coming. They have to plug directly into the wall. Otherwise, because if you plug it in here, you'll have problems. I don't know, it probably spreads out and the signal gets kind of choppy. So it's coming in here. Now I have my power supply, so going there. So it comes into this switch, and from this 5-port switch, I have this for now. I have an 8-port coming, which I'll probably put below here. So I have connections going out to the NAS. This is an actual phone for the Magic Jack, which is down here. Right, so I can make overseas calls and receive. So I have the PC set up. Actually changing my PC out from the big tower to this Dell Wise. It's just for basic stuff, checking emails, doing stuff, writing up invoices, etc., etc. And yeah, I have a printer up here, a wireless printer, to make sure that's still working. It's been a while since I used it. Yeah, I have this hard drive, kind of like hard drive testing and data recovery. I would unplug for now because I'm not using it, so no point in having it plugged in. When I'm ready, I just plug it in somewhere right there or below, and then I'll use it there. But most likely here is where the VoIP phone is going to be. Put a VoIP phone there, and well, I have a USB hub here. This is the camera, speakers, USB mouse and keyboard, and yeah, this space here is going to be for the PBX. So I'm going to put the PBX down there and run it into the switch, which will be down here. And then I'll have one of those VoIP phones running here, and I'll probably patch through the VoIP phone going to the back of the PC, so you save a port basically. And then I'll have another. I'll have the Yearling phones. Yearling are very good VoIP phones. I found them to be stress-free to integrate with pre-PBX. Stress-free. When I tell you stress-free from an IT guy's perspective. Right, from a non-IT person, it will be stressful regardless. But it was stress-free because I was trying with a Cisco 7941 to get it to work to free PBX, and that was hell. 2 weeks of at least 2 hours a day trying to get it to work, trying configurations, researching, trying different combinations, changing config files. It works. And at the end, I just said, you know what? Just going to buy a Yearling phone, put it in 10 minutes, and that's 10 minutes stopping to get some tea. I was up and running, making calls. Right, so I got one of those FXO cards, which going to go into the PBX. I had a 2-port one just for testing when I was in New York, and it worked just fine. Ran into the phone line, made calls, incoming calls, or calling calls. So I just have to do a little configuration to tweak it, but that's good. So I'll get the 4-port one, put it here, and basically run a line out Still trying to figure out how to do that though. Run a line. I'll probably have to run a line up. I see I'm renting, so I can't really do much, damage. I might just make a little hole here and run a cable all the way back out to directly over the kitchen and drop the phone line in there. So that way I'll be able to get phone service like the landline that we have, and then I'll hook the Magic Jack as a second line out. So you could call local and you could call international from PBX, and then I'll have the Yearlink wireless, which one is it? T19? Yeah, that will be also set up here or somewhere, and that phone will be somewhere else in the house. So in other words, I'll have one hardwired phone here and one wireless phone somewhere about the house. Then we have the NAS. Went with a QNAP TS451 with 4 bays. Right now I only have one drive in there. I'm gonna get another 3 terabyte drive. I have one 3 terabyte so far. Just a start. I'm gonna get like another 3 terabyte drive, and then I'll probably get 2 6 terabyte drives later on as I need it. I don't need that much right now, so for now it's good. I just want to get another 3 terabyte drive for redundancy. But I have to start sometime, otherwise I'm just gonna be sitting there like the motherboard that's sitting there. Here's another project I have to start, but soon enough. So yeah, that's it for I usually work on the road, so this is just for home when I'm home. So all of this stuff is probably going to be upgraded in a year. So yeah. So this is a little overview of my home network. Quite simple. I have to keep it simple. Don't overdo. See, a lot of guys have a lot of high-powered stuff. They do a lot of other stuff. I'm not doing all of that. I'm not editing videos for a living. I'm not. A lot of stuff that they do, I don't do for a living. I just do networking. So I just need to really research, get stuff done. I might build labs sometime to time. There's a Cisco router I have outside. I don't know what to do with it yet. I might either keep it or give it away. So yeah. So yeah, this is like part 1 from me. You might see as we go along. We'll have part 2 and part 3 to this. So thank you once again for paying attention. Any questions about what I have set up? Any suggestions you can probably give me? You can put it in the comments. Thank you for your time. And once again, if you like what you see, subscribe. If you don't like, give me a dislike. Tell me why if you want to. Don't tell me why if you don't want to. So this is Damien from FixWinPC. Thanking you for viewing. And thank you for all of you who have subscribed. And I'll try to get back into bringing content that actually might be of value to you. So thank you once again. This is Damien, FixWinPC. Have a good day.